Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I'm getting ready to fix turkey, an oven ready turkey breast by Jenny O. I've had this a couple times and I really like it. I bought it on sale. It was $12.73. You ain't got to do nothing to it but slit the bag and put it in the oven. You got to season it. It's seasoned perfectly, yeah. So, let me get some scissors. And lower this, y'all can see what I'm doing. So let me preheat this oven. I'm using my Cicero air fryer oven. Okay, this is it right here. And let me see. Preheat oven to 375. Oh. I'm gonna set it for. No, don't want to roast it or bake it. I'll roast it. 375 for, let's say, 2 hours. Okay. And I moved the rack to the bottom down here. Okay. Let me lower this so y'all can see. Let me take this out the bag. Like I said, I had it a couple times before. And it's really, really seasoned and good. Comes with some gravy. I usually don't use that stuff. Okay, this is the turkey breast. Let's roast this side up. It's on the bag. So cut some slits in the bag. Might as well put it in the pan I'm cooking in. I'm not going to use this. You can cook it right from frozen, but I had it sitting in my fridge. Cutting a few slits in here. And like I said, it's already seasoned. Come on, man. Cut one more over here. Okay. It's preheating. So I'll be back when it's preheated and I stick it in the oven. You know what? I'm gonna put it in the oven right now. I'm using this kind of pan so I don't have to wash nothing. But I'm putting it inside my heavy duty cake pan. Okay, just like that. You ain't got to do nothing else to it. So make sure it doesn't hit the top of your oven, or make sure the bag doesn't hit the sides of the baking pan. And I'm good. I just want to start it now. Okay, I'm gonna cut the light on. That's how it looks. And I rarely use my real oven anymore. Okay, so I'll be back. Hi y'all. Okay, I was going to fix, well, I got my turkey breast in the oven. I made mac and cheese. I have stirred up my cornbread dressing. I got my candied yams and my greens in the pots already. Then one of my daughters calls me and say, y'all had dinner yet? I said, no, I'm cooking now. She said, well, we at Woo Woo's. That's a barbecue joint that I really like. It's in Sauk Village, Illinois. And I said, I'll never drive there again. It's too far. But anyway, she said, we're in there now. We've ordered Walter a slab for his birthday, which is tomorrow. And we got you some rib tips. That's what I like, rib tips. I said, okay, this food will keep. So I'm going to show y'all what I was going to have for Sunday dinner. So we'll have it another day. Okay, this is the seasoned turkey breast in the oven. This is the cornbread dressing. I always mix it up and taste it and make sure it tastes just like dressing before I stick it in the oven, so it ain't been cooked yet. Here's my candied yams with the sugar and the butter and the nutmeg and the cinnamon in it. And here's some turnip greens and collard greens. And here's some mac and cheese. So that's cooked. This hasn't been cooked. This hasn't been cooked yet, and cornbread hasn't been cooked. So I'll just put this food up for another day. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all what would have been our Sunday dinner. Take this. Okay, I got the candied yams ready to be cooked, y'all. Got the sugar, the butter, nutmeg, and cinnamon in here. Got some turnip greens and collard greens. Mac and cheese, I already cooked it. This is the cornbread I had mixed up. Mix it up to taste like dressing. So I cook it, and then all I have to do is rejuvenate it with some chicken broth. Okay, and my turkey is still in there cooking. Okay. Walt came in here, he said, I smell that dressing. I said, no, you smell that turkey, because the dressing hasn't been cooked yet. So I want to thank you all for seeing what we would have had for our Sunday dinner. Probably have it Tuesday. Today is Sunday, tomorrow's Monday, which is Walter's birthday. And we'll probably have it Tuesday. But I'm going to rub on some rib tips tonight. I was telling Walter I wanted some rib tips. But I'm not going out here in this weather. It's the temperature is 7 degrees below zero. The wind chill is like 32 below zero. Wind chill. I ain't going out there. So my daughter and her husband, they went way out to Sauk Village. Well, they're closer to it than I am. And went to Woo Woo's barbecue. It's really good. So I'll show y'all what we get. Okay. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up and leave a nice comment. And please remember to wish Walter a happy birthday. His birthday is January 15th. It's tomorrow. Okay, y'all be blessed. Bye. Okay, y'all. My daughter and my son-in-law just brought Walter his birthday ribs. And they got me some too. But they got me the rib tip combo. So I got 2 hot links and rib tips with mixed sauce. Look at that. From Woo Woo's in Sauk Village, Illinois. Okay. Bye.